Here's the result from the old version Illustrious XL2. And now, take a look at the new Illustrious XL V3.0 stable. The difference is jaw-dropping. This upgrade isn't just better, it's on a whole new level. Think you've seen what AI image generators can do? Wait till you meet Illustrious XL's 3.0. This new version isn't just better, it's mind-blowing. If you're into stunning next-level AI art, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. In today's video, we'll quickly compare the old version with the mind-blowing new update of Illustrious, and trust me, the difference is incredible. Let's dive into Illustrious XLV 3.0 stable. All the relevant links are in the description below. And don't forget, use Learnify AI at checkout to unlock a special discount on your subscription, a high-quality image model developed by Anima AI. Built on stable Diffusion XL, it delivers stylish, ultra-detailed results right out of the box. Plus, it's future-ready, trained using advanced epsilon prediction techniques, making it perfect for fine-tuning and customization down the road. Stay tuned as we put both versions to the test using real prompts and live image results. First, I used a random prompt we created in Gemini. Then, I adjusted the aspect ratio, quality, and enabled the upscale option, and hit enter. Here's what the Illustrious XL 3.0 stable model generated. Absolutely stunning. Next, I entered the exact same prompt in Illustrious XL V 2.0 and hit enter. As you can see, the old version looks dull and underwhelming. Compared to V 3.0, the difference is night and day. Crystal clear, HD level quality with sharp, satisfying details. So, forget 2.0. From now on, create your best AI art with Illustrious XL V 3.0 stable, the new gold standard in image generation. You can absolutely use this model on your own PC after downloading it. But today, I'm using it online, and it's incredibly convenient. No lag, no GPU required, and no downloads needed. Let's get started with Illustrious XL 3.0 stable. Just click the Run button to begin. Once you select your base model or checkpoint, you can customize even further by adding a LoRA model, perfect for enhancing specific traits or styles. Next, you can apply embeddings, just like other SDXL models. These help fine-tune the details and style of your image even more. Now, let's talk ControlNet, one of the most powerful tools. It lets you guide the AI using a reference image, making your outputs far more accurate and consistent. Finally, there's the VAE, the Variational Autoencoder, which affects your image's color tone and richness. For most users, I recommend keeping it on auto for the best mix of vibrancy and precision. In the settings section, you can adjust the aspect ratio, sampling method, steps, scheduler, CFG scale, and seed, giving you full control over how your final image turns out. Under advanced settings, you'll find options like clip skip and ENSD, which let you fine-tune the model even further for precision-level output. Next up is the upscale option. This boosts your image resolution after generating the base version. You can fine-tune the upscaling using options like higher steps and denoying strength to balance smoothness and clarity. After that, we have ADetailer, a powerful tool for fixing common issues like distorted faces or awkward hands. You just select the model based on what you want to fix. Options include face, hand, person, or media pipe. For this example, I'm selecting the face model. At this stage, you can also add a LoRA. Think of it as a specialized modifier that applies a unique style or character to your output. Each LoRA is designed for a specific look or theme, helping you personalize your image even more. Now enter your main prompt. This is the detailed description of the image you want to generate. Below that is the negative prompt section. Since recommended settings are already included, you don't need to change anything here. Next, let's look at ADetailer steps. Once ADetailer is enabled, this setting lets you activate repair steps independently. You can then set the detection model confidence threshold. Higher values give more accurate fixes, while lower values increase the repair range. The in-paint mask blur controls edge softness. The lower the value, the sharper the edge. And for denoising strength, which affects face repair, a range of 0.4 to 0.6 is recommended. It helps generate subtle variations in facial features. Want to in-paint only the masked areas? You can toggle that option on or off. Need a transparent background? Just turn on the layer diffusion option. And finally, if you ever want to start from scratch, There's a reset button at the bottom to clear all your settings. With all the settings in place, we're ready to test our prompt and see what Illustrious XL V3.0 stable can really do. I've set it to generate 2 images from our first prompt. Next, we explore the A1111 option, where you can enable the TAMS 2.0 engine. This activates a smarter prompt parsing method, great for refining structure and meaning. Just a heads up, certain syntax like and or break might not function properly in this mode. As for negative prompts, it's optional. You can skip it, write your own, or even auto-generate one from your main prompt. There are also handy tools to translate, abstract, or enhance your prompt before generating. For this example, I use the AI Enhance tool to instantly upgrade our prompt with one click. You can also hit More to browse a list of suggested prompts and choose one you like. Once everything's ready, just click Generate and let the model create your image. Now, let's take a look at the results. The first prompt was a dreamy anime-style countryside scene in 9:16 format, featuring rolling green hills, thatched cottages, and grazing sheep under soft golden sunlight. Rendered in painterly pastel tones with pixel-perfect 8K detail, it evokes nostalgic rural charm and serene elegance. And just look at this. Absolutely beautiful. The detail, the mood, the composition, everything is on point. Next, we entered another prompt. A chibi-style Yutyrannus stands fierce yet adorable in 8K detail, cloaked in snowy feathers and gripping icy shards on a white background. With glowing yellow eyes and icy breath, it's a perfect blend of cuteness and prehistoric power, ideal for collectibles or prints. And wow, the result is fantastic. Crisp, vibrant, and packed with personality. Honestly, this is one of the best AI image generators I've ever used. Illustrious XL V3.0 stable continues to impress. Next up, take a look at this one. An elegant anime girl in a flowing blue dress stands in a stylish cafe, her serene smile hiding a glimmer of quiet anxiety. Rendered in 8K kawaii style with cinematic detail, the scene radiates warmth, emotion, and delicate perfection. The result? Absolutely superb. Soft, emotional, and beautifully detailed. Now check this out. A close-up retro anime portrait of a crimson-haired woman with freckled cheeks and piercing blue eyes, evoking bittersweet emotion and quiet depth. Rendered in 8K with ink, charcoal, and film grain textures, it glows like a forgotten 1980s cel. Intimate, faded, and hauntingly beautiful. I really love this one. It feels like a memory turned into art. Next look. Another take on the same character, but with even more atmosphere. A haunting retro anime portrait of a crimson-haired woman, her blue eyes glowing with restrained emotion, freckles and dusk light softening her porcelain skin. Rendered in 8K with ink and charcoal textures, it captures a fragile, ethereal moment, frozen in nostalgic analog beauty. And again, stunning. I'm obsessed with how emotionally rich this output is. Now look at this elegant scene. A romantic anime-style half-portrait of a mystical fae couple in an ornate vintage frame, exuding intimacy and grace through soft shading and emotional detail. Rendered in 8K with painterly textures, glowing light, and delicate fantasy elements. Perfect for elegant sticker or print design. The result is soft, warm, and full of character. Truly superb. And finally, take a look at this charming landscape. An anime-style coastal scene featuring a vintage yellow tram labeled Soothing Rainy Tunes, gliding along seaside tracks beside a cozy, ivy-wrapped building. Rendered in painterly 8K detail, it blends nostalgic charm with a peaceful rainy day vibe. Very impressive. An HD-level result full of cozy, slice-of-life beauty. And the best part? You can try all of this from homepage of TensorArt. Just go to the Creation section and access Illustrious XL V3.0 stable. It's powerful, accessible, and delivers amazing quality, so no download needed. So with all these examples, you can clearly see how Illustrious XL V3.0 stable handles a wide range of art styles, from dreamy anime scenes to emotional portraits and detailed fantasy compositions, all with stunning quality and precision. Now the big question is this tool worth it or not? If you ask us after testing the new Illustrious XL V3.0, it's absolutely awesome. But what do you think? Let us know in the comments. Over 83% of viewers watching this channel aren't subscribed. If you're enjoying this video, just one click to subscribe makes a huge difference. It helps us grow, keeps this content free, and brings powerful AI tools to more creators like you. So please subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone who's passionate about AI image generators. If you want to watch earn $95,714 in 1 month, start this before you die. YouTube automation, click the video on the left, and if you're ready to dive into finding which AI image generator is best Illustrious, XL V3.0, Stable vs Anima Tensor, click the video on the right. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Happy Learnify AI goodbye.